Assalamu alaikum. Today my topic is sets and Venn diagram. So in this video I will explain you about sets and Venn diagram. Set notation. The topic is actually the set notation. So first of all we will discuss symbols. This symbol means such that n of A is used for number of elements in set A. This symbol is used for universal set, A complement, union, intersection, empty set, belongs to, subset, not a subset. N of A means number of elements in set A. Okay, this symbol means universal set. It means universe of that question. This set will be the universe of that question. A complement. It means everything in universal set except for A. Except A. Union. This symbol will be used for union. Union means combine both sets. This symbol will be used for intersection. This means intersection. For intersection we have to write common elements between both sets. Intersection means write common elements between both sets, and this symbol will be used for empty set. Or null set. Okay, this symbol means belongs to. This symbol will be used for subset and not a subset. So these all are the symbols you must know. Sets. How to define sets? Set is a group of unique elements. Unique, what does unique means? Unique means we cannot repeat elements in a set. in a set. Okay. If A is a set, X, how we will read it? X, this is called set notation form. X such that X is number of days in a month. So how we will write it? Number of days in a month can be 28, 29, 30, 31. 28, 29, 30, 31. So this is the way how you can write set notation form into simple listing form. So if the question is C set is X such that X is an odd number, so how we will write it? Odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and infinity. So we will put 3, 4 dots at the end of this set. If a universal set is given X such that 1 less than equal to X, X less than 12 and X is integer, this is called listing form. It means all the numbers from 1 to 12, but 12 is not included as we cannot see here the equality sign. So if equality sign is not here, it means that number is not included. 1 is included because we can see this equality sign. So it means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. 12 will not be included. So if the question is to write factors of 12, if B set is X such that X is a factor of 12. So how we will write it in a listing form? One is a factor of 12, 2, 3, 4 and 6, these all are the factors of 12. So this is the way how we will write set notation form into listing form. Okay. So if the question is list elements of part A, find A union B. So how we will solve it? First of all, we will write the set A. A set is if the A set is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and 11. Union B set is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. First of all, we will write like that. After that, we will solve it. So, we will combine all the elements. The smallest value from both sets is 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, 7. 8 is not in both sets. We cannot see 8 in both sets. So, 8 will not be written. 10 is not here. 9. 9, 10 is not here. Then 11. So, A union B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 and 11. So, this is how you have to find the union of two sets. If part B is find A complement intersection C. What does it mean? A complement, how to find? First of all, I will tell you how to find A complement. A complement means U minus A. B complement means U minus B. C complement means U minus C. So, union set is, universal set is 1, 2, 3 till 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Okay, minus A set. A set is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and 11. What does it mean? How we have to subtract A from U? All the elements that are in A we will subtract from universal set and remaining elements we will write. Like 1 will be subtracted, 3, then 5 we will see from this. We will subtract these numbers from this set. 7 will be subtracted, 9 subtracted 11. So what are the remaining elements? 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. So this is A complement. Okay. So if the question is to find A complement intersection C, so how we will write it? A complement is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This is the set of A complement. You will write it. Intersection, if C set is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Sorry, if C is 1, 4, 6, 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. If the C set is 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11, then how we have to find the complement? This is, sorry, intersection. This is A complement, this is C. So we will find intersection. Intersection is, we can see just 2 is common. So this is the way how you can find the intersection of two sets. So if the question is asking to write C union B complement, first of all write C set 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 union B complement. B complement means U minus B. So we can find it here. U minus B, B complement U minus B, that is U is 1 to 11 minus B. B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, the remaining elements are 5, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. If we will subtract all the elements of B from the universal set, these will be the remaining elements. So we will write here C. C was 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Union B complement 5, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So what will be answer? 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. We will combine all the elements of both sets. So this is the way how we have to write set notation into simple form, into listing form. What is subset? If A is a set, let's discuss now subset. If A is a set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is 1, 3 and 5, we can say that we can say that 4 belongs to A. So here we can say that 4 does not belongs to B because 4 is included in set A and 4 is not included in set B. So this symbol is used for element, like we can say 4, we can read it 4 is element of A, 4 is not an element of B. So this word means belongs to, does not belong to. So what is subset? If all elements of B also belong to A, we can say that B is B is subset of A, and we can write it B is a subset of A. So if all the elements of B are included in set A, you can say that if all the elements of B belongs to set A as well, so we can say that B is a subset of set A. So now we will solve some past paper questions. So let's do question number 1. In these Venn diagrams, shade the given regions. So I will tell you an easiest way to shade the given regions. In this figure, we have to shade A complement union B complement. So what you have to do, give one number to each figure. You can assume numbers and give one number to each part, you can say, or each region. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now find A complement union B complement. How to find A complement? What is A complement? A complement means U minus A. A complement is equal to U minus A. A complement means not A. You can also say not A, or you can say all the values except A. So if I will say that A complement means not A, so not A means 1 and 4 are left. So A complement is 1 and 4. Union B complement. B complement means not B. Not B means 1 and 2. 1 and 2 will be included. So in not B, both values will be cancelled and we will write 1 and 2. So union, how to write the union? Union means 1, 2 and 4. So what we have to do, this is our final answer. We have to shade the regions containing these elements 1, 2 and 4. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, just 3 will be left. So this is the way how you have to shade the required region. Three is left, you can see. So A complement union B complement is shaded. So same way you have to solve other part, C union D intersection E. So give one number to each part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So first of all find C union D. C union D means all the elements combined from two sets. So C union D 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what you will write? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 is C union D. Intersection E complement. E complement means not E. Not E means not 3, 5, 7, 8. So which values are left? 1, 2, 4, 6. 1, 2, 4 and 6. Now what we will do? Intersection. Intersection means common values from both sets. So which values are common? 2 is common in both sets. 4 is common in both sets. 6 is common in both sets. So this is our required answer. So now we have to shade the parts that contains 2, 4 and 6. 2, 4 and 6. 2, 4 and 6. So these regions will be shaded for this part. Okay. So next question, question number 2. Complete the statement P union Q is equal to, you have to write the elements. P union Q means B, C, D, E, F and G. N of Q, B part, N of Q. N of Q means number of Q set. Number of Q set means there are 4 elements in Q set, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if they are asking to find N, N means number of these set you have to write. Don't write the whole set if they are asking to find N of anything. N means number of that set. Number of elements of Q. So there are 4 elements in Q set. So C part, find number of P complement intersection Q. So first of all find P complement intersection Q and then count the numbers of that set. P complement means not P. A, E, F and G. Intersection Q. Q means D, E, F and G. So intersection means common numbers. Common numbers are E, F and G. So there are 3 numbers in this set. As they are asking to find N. N means numbers of this set. 3 will be the final answer. Next question. Universal set is given to you, integers greater than 2. Universal set is integers greater than 2. So write the set in listing form. Like integers greater than 2 are 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on. What's about prime numbers? Prime numbers from the universal set. If a universal set is given in the question, it means the whole question will depend on that universal set. So we will take the numbers from that universal set. We will let's suppose we have to find A is equal to prime numbers. Prime numbers will be selected from that universal set. So prime numbers are uh, 3 greater than 2, because greater than set is greater than 2, 2 will not be included. 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and so on. What's about odd numbers? Odd numbers from that universal set will be 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and so on. Okay, square numbers. Square numbers are from universal set. Square numbers are 4, 9, 16, 25 and so on. So describe the type of numbers in the set B complement intersection C. This is B complement intersection C. So let's find first of all B complement intersection C. B complement is not B. So all the values of the universal set except B. You can say B complement is U minus B. So U minus B is equal to 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and so on. This is B complement set. Okay. So 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Intersection C. C set is 4, 9, 16, 25. Okay. So the intersection, how to find the intersection of these two sets? Common numbers from these two sets are 4, 16, 36. So as you can see that we have not written all the numbers in B complement. So other numbers are 14. Other numbers of complement set are B complement are 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24 and so on. So we have taken the common 2 or 3 numbers we will write 4, 16 and 36. So how to describe the type of this set? They are asking to describe the type of numbers in the set B complement intersection C. These are 4, 16, 36 are even square numbers. So you will just write here even square numbers. They are even and they all are square numbers. So this is the way how you will solve this question. Complete the set labels on the Venn diagram. So we have to, what does this set means? If a circle is inside the circle, it means this is the circle of the subset of that set. If a set is the subset of other set, that set will be inside that set. Like if A is subset of B, A will be inside and B will be outside. It means that all the elements of A are also included in B. Okay, so how we will write, how we will label these sets in this Venn diagram? You can see that A is the subset of B in this question. All the elements of set A are included in set B. 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. All these numbers are included in set B. It means this will be set A, this will be B and the other will be C. Okay, so B part. Shade the region D complement union E intersection F whole complement. So as we have solved this type of question above, like question number 1, so you have to solve this with the same method. Give one number to each part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So now what we will do? D complement union E intersection F complement. First of all, we will find D complement, then we will find E intersection F complement. D complement means not D. So not D or except D means the values are 1, 6, 7 and 8. Union as it is. We will not write union here. First of all, we will find E intersection F complement. So E intersection F complement means not E intersection F. E intersection F is 5 and 7 here. So intersected part of E and F are 5 and 7. So it means that except this intersected part, except E intersection F. So you can also say except not 5 and 7. In easy words, you can say that not 5 and 7. So if not 5 and 7, the remaining elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. 5 and 7 will not be included. Now union. Find the union of both sets. 1, 6, 7, 8. Union 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 8. So union means all the numbers combined. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7 and 8. We will combine all the numbers. The numbers that are repeating we will write once. 8 is repeating, you will write it once. 1 is repeating, you will write it once. 6 is repeating, you will write it once. All the numbers combined, and we will start from the smallest value, and last value should be the bigger value of these two sets. So it means this is the final answer of the complement union E intersection F whole complement. Now you will color all these all the regions contains these element. So it means 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8 means 5 and 7 will not be included, and all other region will be included except 5 and 7. So the leftover region is 5 and 7. This will not be colored. So use set notation to describe the shaded region. So in this question, this is the shaded region, as this is the PDF form. So we cannot see the shaded region. So this is the shaded region of this question. How we can describe? Now we have to describe it in set notation form. Here we have to use our mind. So it means that A naught. So we can see that B but A not. B is colored but not A. In easy words, what we can say, B set but not A. It means that B region is colored but A part that is included in B set, and the A whole part is not colored. What we will write? A complement. A naught means A complement, and we will write here B. The main thing is what we have to write inside, union or intersection. So union means, if it would be a union, if you will write here union means all the parts combined, like the parts of A complement and B parts should be combined. So if you will say that A complement, in A complement this part will also be included. It means We will not write here union, we will write here intersection. So intersection means intersected part of A complement and B. Like if you will say, look at this, if you will say that this is A complement, A, B, how we will shade A complement? A complement part will be shaded, not A, not A. So this is A complement. Now how to shade B part? B. B part will be shaded. This is the B part. So you can, if you are writing here intersection, intersection means the intersected parts in both figure. Intersected parts mean common part that is shaded in both figures. So common part that is shaded in both figures is this one. Look at this. So it means you will write here intersection. So A complement intersection B is the final answer of this question. Okay, next part you can do by yourself, as I have done 2-3 questions above with same question. Question number 7. In a class of 40 students, 28 wear glasses, 13 have driving license, 4 do not wear glasses and do not have driving license. What we have to do? We complete the Venn diagram. We have to mention these figures or values in the Venn diagram. So in this scenario, what we have to do, we don't know first of all the common value, common numbers of G and D. So we will suppose it as X. The mid value will be supposed as X. Now what will be this part? As G is 28, this part will be 28 minus X. Because if G is 28 and this part is X, this part will be 28 minus X. Now the other part is, if whole part is D and X is mentioned, so the remaining part of D will be 13 minus X, as D is 13 that is given in the question. And outside we have to write 4, as 4 do not wear glasses and do not have driving license, so they will be outside the circles. Now we have to find the value of X and then we have to put that value of X in place of X here. So how to find X? Total number of students are 40 in this question. It means the sum of all the values should be 40. So 28 minus X plus 13 minus X plus 4 is equal to 40. You will make this equation. X and X cancel. 28 plus 13 plus 4 is 45. Minus X is equal to 40. 45 minus 40 is equal to X. X is equal to 5. Now you can erase these values and you can put the value of X in place of X and you will get the final answer. Like, I will not erase it because you can see that how we have to find the exact values. Here X is 5. We will write here 5. If it would be X, X is 5. So 28 minus X means 28 minus 5. 28 minus 5 is 23 and 13 minus X is 13 minus 5, that is 8. So remaining values you can erase now. 23 and 8. So this is the way how you can complete the Venn diagrams. Two parties use set notation to describe the region that contains a total of 32 students. So 32 students regions are 23, uh, 5 and 4. 23, 5 and 4. If we will add these three numbers, we will get 32. So we have to describe this region in set notation form as we have done the above question, like question number 5. So 23, 5 and 4's part, how to write it in set notation form, or you can say that how to describe it in set notation form. Uh, 23, 5 and 4 is 32. Okay, 23 G is G, whole G part is included. It means that you will write here G, but not D. Again, D's part is not included. So we have to write G, but not D. Not D means D complement. The main thing is that what you have to write inside, which symbol you have to put in between union or intersection. As I told you, if it would be a union, then outside the circles part will also be included. As in this question, this is included. You will write here union. If you would write here intersection, G intersection D complement, then the outside part will not be included. So as we have done this question, question number 5, so you can make figures of both, you can say, like G and D naught. You can make the figures of G and D complement, and you can check that the required part is intersected part or the required part is the union part. So you will write them accordingly. As I can write it directly, that I can see that this is union. This whole part is, if this whole part is included, it means we have to write here union. Okay. G union D naught. So answer is G union D complement. Okay, next part, this Venn diagram shows information about the number of students who play basketball, football and hockey. What we have to do, find number of, again they are asking to find number, n means number of this set notation. So number means that find the answer of this part and write the number of elements of that set. Okay. First of all, we will find B union F. In B union F, B union F, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. All the parts of B and F. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now H complement. H complement means not H. Not H means not these values. So the remaining values are 2, 6, 7 and 12. This value will also be included, don't forget it. Okay. So now what we have to do, intersection. The middle part is of, the middle sign is of intersection. So B union F intersection H complement is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Intersection H complement 2, 6, 7 and 12. So intersected values, common values are 2, 6 and 7. So there are three numbers. Number of this set, it means sorry, 2, 6, 7. What you have to do here, as in this question, these are already numbers that are given to you. So what you have to do to find it, you have to add these numbers. Like you have to find add 2, 6 and 7. It will be 2 plus 6 plus 7. As I told you that these are not elements, these are number of students. If the number of students are given to you, then you have to add these elements to find the total numbers of the required uh, value. So here you just have to add it. If these would be elements, then you have to count them. So here 2 plus 6 plus 13 is 15. 15 will be final answer. So please don't forget to add them because these are already numbers. So the final answer will be added and you will get the required number of elements. Okay, C part, shade the region. You can do it by yourself as I have solved some questions above of same kind. 8 question you can also do. Question number 9, complete each of the following statements. A intersection B will be 2 and 5. Number of B set is 3. 0, 4, 6 is equal to dash intersection dash. So it is A intersection B complement. 0, 4, 6 is A intersection B complement. You have to use your mind to solve this question. Like A is 0, 2, 4, 5 and 6. Intersection B complement, not B. Not B means exclude 1, 1, 2 and 5 from the universal set. The remaining elements 0, 3, 4 and 6. So intersection is 0, 4 and 6. So it means this is A intersection B complement. Okay, 2, 4 is equal to 2, 4 is subset of A. Like 2 and 4 are included, you can say, in set A. 2, 4 are elements of set A, or 2, 4 are, or you can say, subset of set A. You can also write this symbol, element symbol. Okay, next question, question number 10, you can do by yourself. Question number, you have to write this set in listing form, like 2 less than equal to x, x less than 6 means 2 from 2 to 5. 6 is not included and there is no equality sign with 6, and we can see equality sign with 2. So 2 is included, 2, 3, 4, 5 will be included in M set, and number of these sets are 4. You will write it 4. So this is the way how you can solve these type of questions. Now next question is question number, I will solve now question number 11. In the Venn diagram, shade x complement intersection y. You can do this part by yourself because we have done many parts above. The Venn diagram below shows information about the number of gardeners who grow melons, potatoes and carrots. A gardener is chosen at random. Okay. A gardener is chosen at random from the gardeners who grow melons. Find the probability that this gardener does not grow carrots. So here what you have to do, you have to find the probability. Acha, a gardener is chosen at random from the gardeners who grow melons. Now you have to do the total of the melons part. Melons part is 2 plus 5 plus 3 plus 6. That is 16. 16 will be in the denominator now, because if you are going to choose something from a required a specific part, that specific part's total should be in denominator. As in this question, a gardener is chosen at random from the gardeners who grow melons. So melons total will be in the denominator. What will be in numerator? Now read the second line. Find the probability that this gardener does not grow carrots. 3 and 6. From melon section, 3 and 6 are the parts that this gardener does not grow carrots. They just grow melons. And 5 and 2 are the parts that also grow melons and carrots. So 6 plus 3. So 9 by 16 is the answer of this part. Okay, second part you can do by yourself, as I have done above. Next question is 12. 40 children were asked if they have a computer or a phone or both. The Venn diagram shows the results. A child is chosen at random from the children who have a computer. Write down the probability that this child also have a phone. Now, a child is chosen at random from the children who have a computer. Now, computer's figure should be in the denominator, that is 7 plus 8. 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 will be in the denominator, because a child should be chosen from the children who have a computer. 7 plus 8 figure shade region has a computer. Now what we will do? What we have to write in numerator? Read the second line. Write down the probability that this child also have a phone. Also have a phone means this is the part who have a computer and also have a phone. It means 8 by 15. Complete the Venn diagram. Do not have a computer. Now this is opposite to the above figure. Do not have a computer, do not have a phone, and what we have to write now here, that have both. We have to write here the numbers that have both. It means that we have to write here 8, and in between we have to write the figure that don't have both. So 2 are the students that don't have both. 2 will be in between. Do not have a computer. Do not have a computer means 23 students don't have a computer. They just have a phone. So 23 will be in this figure. And here we have to write do not have a phone. So do not have a phone. 7 are the students that do not have a phone. They just have a computer. So 7 will be written here. So this is the way how you can complete these figures. In this figure, shade the region. I have explained you the method. You can do this part by yourself. 13. Put a ring around the correct statement from the list below. So you can check one by one. This one, this one, this one. Each part you can check one by one. The correct region in this question is C intersection D is equal to 10. So C intersection D is 10. So this is the correct answer. Find number of C union D. Number of C union D is also very easy. Find C union D and count the numbers and write in answer section. 14 question. The Venn diagram shows information about the number of elements in set A, B and universal set. Number of A union B is equal to 23. Find the value of X. Now here you can see the values are already given. So what we have to do, same method we will use. Number of A union B is equal to 23. Number of A union B means sum of all these numbers. Sum of all these numbers 20 minus x plus 8 minus x is equal to 23. We will write is equal to 23. Now we will solve it simple. Number of A union B will be calculated with this method is equal to 23 is equal to 23 will be written as it is. So x and x will be cancelled. 20 plus 8, 28 minus x is equal to 23. 28 minus 23 is equal to x. X will go there and x is equal to 5. So 5 is the answer of x. Part B, an element is chosen at random from universal set. Now as element has to chosen from the universal set's figure will be in the denominator, that is 23 plus 7. Universal set figure is 23 plus 7 because A union B is 23, it is given, and its outside figure is 7. So 23 plus 7 is 30. Okay, find the probability that this element is in A union B complement. A union B complement means not A union B. So not A union B is 7 here. Simple, 7 by 30. The required answer is 7 by 30. Okay, question number 15. Again, some values are given to you. Numbers of each set is given to you as n is mentioned here. Work out number of P intersection Q. So as we don't know the value of all the regions, we will calculate with the same method like that question. Mid value will be supposed as x. P is 10. Number of P is 10, you can see here. It means this part will be 10 minus x, as I told you already. Q is 13. Number of Q is 13. It means this part will be 13 minus x. And number of P union Q naught. P union Q naught means not P union Q. That will be outside the circles. So this part will be 5. Now we can find x first. How we will find x? The total number of universal set is 20. It means the sum of all the values should be 20. 10 minus x plus 13 minus x plus 5 is equal to 20. X cancel. 13 plus 10 plus 5 is 28. 28 minus x is equal to 20. 28 minus 20 is equal to x. 8 is equal to x. X is 8. So now you can put the values. X is 8. 10 minus x is 10 minus 8. 10 minus 8, that is 2. This is 2. 13 minus 8, that is 5. So you can erase the previous values. 2, 8 and 5. 2, 8 and 5. You can at the end of the question you can write the final values. Okay, so number of, now what you have to do, we just found x here. So now we have to work out number of P intersection Q. Now you can see this is P intersection Q part. So P intersection Q's value is 8. So 8 is the answer. 8 is the final answer. Okay, 16 question. Use set notation to complete the statements for the Venn diagram above. C dash x. You can write here C belongs to x. C is an element of x because C is included in x region. Second, AME is this part. This is X intersection Y part. So you will write here X intersection Y part. Y intersection Z. Y intersection Z is this part. That is empty. So you will write here empty or null set. List the elements of X union Y union Z not. It means not X union Y union Z. Not all these numbers. Not all these numbers means U, V and W. So U, V and W. Find n of X complement intersection Z. So you can find it by yourself. This is very easy. Find X complement intersection Z. Set and count the numbers and write here. Okay. 17 question you can do by yourself. This is also very easy. You can shade the region as I have explained to you. Question number 18. Shade the required regions. Okay, you can do this part by yourself. B part. X is an integer and 60 to 70 is between 60 to 70. It means 60 to 70 means 61 to 69. 60 and 70 are not included. Odd number. E means X is an odd number. Odd numbers are between these numbers. Odd numbers are 61, 63, 65, 67, 69. F means prime numbers. Prime numbers from the universal set. Prime numbers are 61, 67. Square numbers. Square numbers is just 64 from the universal set. Complete the Venn diagram below to show this information. So how we have to write these values in this figure? 61 is written here. So where we have to write 67. 67, as you can see, 61 and 67 are the intersection of E and F. E and F, 67 and 67. So 61 and 67 are the intersection values of E and F. So 61 is already written. You will write here 67. This is the intersected part of E and F. So we will write it here. E values, remaining E values, just exclude 61 and 67 from E set. 63, 65 and 69. These three values are left. Now what you will do, what we have to 67 will be written with 61, sorry. It will be written with 61. This is the part. Okay. Because this is the part where you have to write the common of all these three sets. But 67 is common between E and F. So you have to write it with 61. Okay. What is the common between E and G? Nothing. Where we have to write G. G value is 64. You will write G in this section. And the other values 62, 66 and 68. 62, 66 and 68 will be written outside the circles. So this is the way how you will represent the data in the diagram. Two part you can also do by yourself. E union F union G means not E, F and G. Not E, F, G means outside E, F, G. Outside E, F, G are three values because we have to write n. So 3 will be the answer. Okay, E intersection F intersection G, use set notation to complete the statement. E intersection F intersection G means the intersected part of all three sets. So this is the intersected part of all three sets. that is empty. So what we do, you will write null set or empty set. Find the number of students who study physics or chemistry. You have to give the answer. Figure is given to you, information is given to you in the figure. You have to write, you have to give the answers. Find the number of students who study physics or chemistry. So, physics or chemistry means, physics or chemistry means 5, 11, and 8. Some students read physics, some students read chemistry, some students read both. So all these numbers will be added. So that will be 24. Find number of P intersection C complement. C complement means C naught. In C naught, 5 and 7 will be included. P is 5 and 11. Intersection C naught means 5 and 7. So 5 is intersection of these two sets. So 5 is the answer. A student who does not study chemistry is chosen at random. It means the denominator value will be the students of the chemistry. For those students who does not study chemistry. So who does not study chemistry are this one, 5 and 7. These are the students who does not study chemistry. So we will add them. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 will be in the denominator. Now read the second line. Find the probability that the student does not study physics. So from these two figures, which student does not study physics? 7. 7 are the students who does not study physics. 7 by 12 will be your required answer. You can do next part by yourself. A part 20th. A part you can do by yourself. B part is also easy. 21 question. A total of 20 trucks were tested at a checkpoint. 6 trucks failed the test of brakes. 7 trucks failed the test of lights. 9 trucks passed the test for both brakes and lights. So what we have to do here, they are asking to complete the Venn diagram. As I told you, you have to uh, suppose the mid value as x. For brakes, 6 trucks failed the test for brakes. So this region will be 6 minus x. Light, 7 trucks failed the test of light. So it means 7 minus x. 9 trucks passed the test. So if they passed the test, that will be 9 will be outside the circles. This is the way how you will complete it. But you have to find the value of x, and your final answer will be the exact values. You will not leave it as it is. Find x, put the value of x in these expressions, and find the final answer. So how to find x? The total students, total trucks that are 20, it is given. Total is 20. So it means the sum of this whole figure should be 20. 6 minus x plus 7 minus x plus 9 is equal to 20. X cancel. 22 minus x is equal to 20. 22 minus 20 is equal to x. X is equal to 2. Now you will put the values. X is 2. 6 minus x, 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. 7 minus 2, 7 minus 2 is 5. So first part is done. Find number of B complement intersection L complement. You can do it by yourself. Find B complement, then L complement, then write the intersected value. So that will be your N. Like B complement is, B complement means not B. So 5 and 9. Intersection L complement means not L. 4 and 9. So intersected part is 9. Because these all are numbers of the trucks. Already these are numbers of the truck, these are not the elements. So 9 will be written as it is. You will not write here 1. So you have to be very careful while writing the answers, as if the elements are given to you, then you have to write the number of you have to count the number of elements to write the n. But if the data that is given to you is already number of something, like these are the numbers of trucks, so it means that final answer will be written as it is, like 9 will be written as it is. Okay, Venn diagram. P union Q intersection Q naught. Again, shade the region. P union Q, 1, 2, 3, 4. P union Q is 2, 3, 4. Intersection Q complement. Q complement means not Q. 1 and 2. So intersected part is 2. So 2 will be colored. 2 will be shaded. So next question. 20 remaining parts you can do by yourself. These are easy questions. 24 questions. Question number 24. Universal set is given to you integers. A is integers, B is irrational numbers. Write all the elements of universal set in their correct place on the Venn diagram. So A means integers. Integers means whole values, whole number values, except decimals and fractions. No decimal and fractional values are integers. It means from the universal set just 7 is integer. 7 will be written in A. In B set irrational numbers. Pi and 2 under root 8 are irrational numbers from that set. So 9.3 and 5 by 9 will be written outside the circle. Shade the region in each of the following diagrams below. You can do this part by yourself. We have done many questions above. 25 is also easy. So we have done these type of questions above. So it means that you can do these questions easily. That's it. I hope you like this video and you have understand this topic fully. If you have any question, any comment, you can leave it comment section. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.